LASE stock analysis and price predictions for Laser Photonics Corporation. Is this thing really a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1-minute video. Here is the key. This thing, yeah, went parabolic, went 60% now, which is phenomenal. Pre-market is a bit lower, but that's typical. I myself am the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. And all that to say, I'll just get rid of this freaking BS here. All I see is just a beautiful double break to the upside. And it's just now about making an argument and just catching the right timing to just double down buying more in my eyes, right? So it's going down, filling in the inefficiency. The only thing that I care about is if it pulls down and gives me the shift, right? If that does not happen, then there's just no way that I'm certainly looking to take things up. And all I'm doing is just waiting for rules to be met. That's it. That's LASE. This is obviously not financial advice. I do have a bunch of receipts here. We're about like one result in the Discord. So yeah, that's LASE. Not financial advice though. So if you want to stay tuned to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.